There comes a moment in a man's life when he begins to sense that something has shifted. Not in his desire, not in his interest, but in the way his body responds. What used to happen naturally now requires more focus and more effort. This can create pressure that men never talk about. They feel the hesitation, the unpredictability, the sense that their body is not matching their intentions. Many men believe this means something is wrong with them. They assume age is the cause. They assume decline is inevitable. But the truth is far more hopeful. Most performance issues are not caused by age. They are caused by circulation. More specifically, by nitric oxide and the health of the blood vessels themselves. When circulation weakens, performance weakens. And when circulation strengthens, confidence returns. The body already knows how to perform. It simply needs the right support to work the way it was designed to. What most men never hear is that the decline they feel usually begins with nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is the natural signal that tells blood vessels to relax and open. It controls the flow of blood into the organs, tissues, and muscles that matter most. When nitric oxide drops, the body becomes less responsive. The desire may be strong, but the circulation cannot follow through. Stress, poor sleep, long workdays, and modern diet patterns all lower nitric oxide. Over time, the shift becomes noticeable. This is also why medication is not the only path forward. Medication forces the blood vessels to react. Natural ingredients support the body so it can respond on its own. And for many men, that is exactly what they want. They want a solution that feels natural, steady, trustworthy, and aligned with long-term health. They want something that works with the body rather than replacing its own abilities. 3 natural ingredients stand out in the research for the way they support circulation. The first is citrulline. The body converts citrulline into arginine, which supports nitric oxide. It is one of the cleanest and most effective ways to help the body create the signals that open blood vessels. This is not about stimulation. It is about support. Grapeseed extract adds another dimension. It supports the endothelial lining inside blood vessels. That lining controls how easily blood vessels expand and contract. When it becomes stiff or inflamed, circulation drops. When it is supported, blood vessels become more responsive. Men often notice this in the way their hands and feet feel warmer or lighter, but the deeper benefits go beyond that. Quercetin completes the trio. It is a natural antioxidant that supports blood vessel relaxation. Stress tightens the body in ways men do not notice. Over time, that tension affects circulation. Quercetin helps the body ease that tension so blood can move freely again. These 3 natural ingredients work because they follow the body's own structure. They support nitric oxide. They support blood vessel flexibility. They support oxygen and nutrient delivery. And they do this without forcing anything artificial. When natural circulation pathways are supported, the body responds the way men expect it to. This is exactly why Forever Ready has become a natural fit for men who want to restore blood flow without medication. It follows the same biological principles. It supports nitric oxide. It supports circulation. It supports the hormonal and emotional signals that influence desire. It respects the systems the body already relies on for performance. When these systems are strengthened, confidence returns naturally. Many men feel the emotional weight of circulation decline more than the physical. They avoid moments they once enjoyed. They worry their partner notices. They feel pressure build in silence. But none of this is a sign of failure. It is a sign of imbalance. And imbalance is something the body can correct when given the right support. Citrulline, grapeseed extract, and quercetin demonstrate how natural solutions work. They restore the internal environment that performance depends on. They do not mask symptoms. They do not override the body. They give the body the chance to do what it already knows how to do. If you want to explore a natural formula designed around these principles, there is a link in the description. Look through the ingredients in Forever Ready. See how each one supports nitric oxide, circulation, and natural vitality. Decide for yourself whether this aligns with your goals and the kind of support you want. You are not losing your masculinity. You are reconnecting with it. Your body is not shutting down. It is asking for the right kind of support. And when circulation is restored, confidence follows every time.